Not solid. They will be.
He actually does have a world record for this.
Oh my
It's
god.
slightly unofficial, but he's the only one who can do it, so we think he has a world record.
Can you solve a Rubik's Cube while you juggle, Ravi?
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Oh my goodness.
Personally, to me, I always just think he's messing it up, but somehow it always works.
Yeah.
That's
So-
crazy.
You know what you should do? You should start a Rubik's Cube juggling competition, and you'd be the only one in it, so you
Yep.
stay that high and the best one.
I think you'll be the only one who can ever qualify for something like that, huh?
Yeah,
It's true.
you could have like a qualifying round and everything.
Yep.
You'd be the only one.
Holy shit, he really is on his way.
If you're timing this, it's only been like 2 seconds.
I think it's not fair for it
But
now.
we can fast forward the video.
Yeah, perfect. Great.
It's like magic.
What's up? You're going. Why?
Oh my.
Bad.
Go, Ravi! Whoa.
I can't tell if one side is solved or if like every single side is like almost solved.
Right now it looks like none of the sides are solid.
What? There's like a lot of white there. Oh wait, now there's not.
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
Didn't you do it? Yeah, you have the video of it to your score, right?
Yeah.
You do 2 Rubik's Cubes at the same time? Or now?
Oh my god.